Hey, how's it going? It's Victor. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and dressing your best. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we'll be going through my favorite fashion pickups of 2024. Now that we're in 2025, I kind of just want to make a video going through my favorite fashion items that I picked up last year that maybe you guys will also like as well and get some inspiration from it. We'll be going through some shirts, pants, shoes, and accessories that I picked up in 2024. So if you want to get some inspiration going into this new year, then this video is for you. But before we start, if you haven't already, please do your boy a favor and smash that like button so that this video can go out to more people. It really helps me to continue creating these types of videos for you guys. So please do your boy a favor and hit that like button. And without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Now, the first pickups that we're going to be talking about in this video are my Puma Speed Cats in the black and brown colorway. Puma invited me to a party in Las Vegas for the F1 event last November and gifted me these Speed Cats to wear. So big thanks to Puma. And if you want to see the vlog from the event, I'll link it above. Honestly, at first, I didn't even know if I would like these because I'm not really into low top shoes. But not gonna lie, after wearing these throughout the trip, they're starting to grow on me. I really love the sporty look of these shoes. It kind of reminds me of the Adidas Sambas, but with more character. These were actually originally designed for F1 drivers. You can tell by its slim silhouette and sleek look. Also at the party, I got to customize these shoes with these accessories, which I think makes these shoes look super sick. It really adds that pop and boldness to a black shoe. And for these brown ones, I got to change the laces to these beige rope laces, which looks super sick. And I also got to customize these with these letters. One shoe says F1 for the F1 event, and the other pair says LV for Las Vegas. A way for me to remember this experience. I'm probably not gonna ever wear these brown shoes just because they're kind of like a souvenir to me now. But these black ones are gonna be worn a lot. Now, my next pickup is an item that I've actually owned, but unfortunately lost in LA. It's these YSL black sunglasses. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would probably see me wear this quite often in my fit pics. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to do it right now at vvictornguyen. These are basically like my daily beaters. I really love the shiny black frame and the dark, almost fully black lenses. The shape of these sunglasses also really suits my face. I can't really find any pairs that look very similar to this and weighs the same. These are extremely light. That's why I love them so much. I lost my first pair early this year, I believe in April 2024. And I was contemplating if I should buy a new one for months. And then I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna go grab another pair. I bought these on sale from Joma Shop for like $150, which is a steal because my first pair, I believe I paid around $250 for. So there you go, the perfect everyday sunglasses. Now, these next few items are from my own brand, Artificial. These are just some pieces that I've been wearing daily and just want to kind of showcase to you guys so that you can get some inspiration as well. Now, you do not have to buy from Artificial. I will never force you to buy anything from my brand. But if you do like some pieces and really rock with the brand's aesthetic, then it will really mean a lot to me if you guys can show some support. It doesn't have to be by buying, it could just be by following us on Instagram and engaging with our content. I've been working on this brand for over 2 years now, and honestly, this is truly my passion. And my ultimate goal in life is to build this into one of the biggest brands in the world. So if you guys want to see more behind the scenes content of me building the brand, let me know down in the comments below. I did a vlog showcasing some behind the scenes, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it at the top. Now, the first piece that I picked up last year is this black uniform jacket. I've always wanted a jacket that I can wear both casually and formally, but I could never find any from other brands. So I was like, you know what, why don't I just make my own? I really like this jacket because it has a cropped fit that looks really good when you use it for layering. And the inside is lined with this satin lining, which makes it really comfortable on the body. Another small detail that not many people appreciate enough are these double zippers. We've all experienced sitting down with the zip-up jacket on and the zippers just curving at the bottom, which is super uncomfortable and makes it look like you have a fat stomach. With these double zippers, you're able to offset this by zipping the bottom zipper up just a little, releasing that curved shape. I love wearing this jacket to dinners because sometimes you just don't know how others are going to dress. Are they gonna dress formal or are they gonna dress casual? Like, can someone please tell me? So if my people are dressing formal, I would just zip this jacket all the way up, and if they're dressing casual, I'll just unzip the jacket. Simple, can't get easier than that. Now, the next pickup in 2024 are these artificial crest zip-up hoodies and sweatpants. I'm the type of guy who just likes throwing on some sweats when running some errands, and these have been my go-tos. I really like the fit of this set. The zip-up jacket has a very boxy and roomy fit, while the sweatpants has a very baggy fit that makes it very comfortable to wear daily. These come in two different colors, black and gray. But if I had to pick my favorite, man, that's tough. It might have to be the gray one. It's simple, clean, and will make you look super stylish. And for the crest, if you look closely, you can see the artificial branding. This is a very experimental piece that we've created. Most of our pieces are very timeless and minimal, but we just wanted to create something different that's a little more casual than normal. And now that Texas is freezing cold, I'm gonna be wearing these a ton. We're gonna take a quick pause from the video and unbox this Tom Ford PR package together. I received this package like 4 days ago and I haven't opened it yet because I was kind of waiting to open it on camera. So that's what we're gonna do today. Before we open this package, I want to say big thanks to Tom Ford for sending this over. I really appreciate it. Now let's get this box open. I don't really know what's in here. I do believe it's fragrances though. Now it looks like there's another box inside the box. So let's see what's inside. So it looks like there's a shopping bag inside. So right off the bat, I can see there's multiple items in here. So we're gonna take one out one at a time. Up first, we have this Tom Ford brown journal book. This is actually insanely tough. On the front, it says Tom Ford. Not gonna lie, I'm probably going to use this. I've been looking to get a journal for a while, so it feels like Tom Ford has just read my mind. Okay, the last item in this box is, you guessed it, a fragrance. It is the Tom Ford Boys Pacific. I believe that's how you pronounce it. That is pretty cool. I'm probably going to make an unboxing video with this soon, so if you guys want to see my first impressions, make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on TikTok. Again, big thanks to Tom Ford for sending these over. I really appreciate it. Now, back to the video. Up next is probably my favorite pickup of 2024. It is these Nike Romero 5s in this all black colorway. If you know me, then you would know that I'm not really a sneaker guy. I love my boots, Oxfords, and loafers, but I do want to occasionally wear some sneakers. So I was like, what shoe fits my aesthetic, but is still stylish and comfortable? And after trying to find that one pair of shoes that can do everything, I landed on these. I really love the shape and silhouette of these shoes. They're not too bulky, but still gives off that dad shoe vibe that I'm a personal fan of. Another reason why I love these shoes so much is because of its versatility. I love throwing these on with some baggy denims when I'm going out with some friends, and when it's time to go to the gym, I just throw these on with some black shorts or sweatpants. Now, my next pickup isn't really a fashion item, but more of a travel item. It is this away hanging toiletry bag. This was a Christmas gift from my brother, and let me tell you, this is probably the most useful travel item that I own. If you don't know, my skincare routine is pretty extensive. So when I travel, I'm usually bringing like 6 to 7 skincare products, plus my toothpaste, shampoo, body wash, etc. You know what I mean. But basically, I hate when my sink counter gets congested and full of different items. So this bag is a way for me to keep everything tidy and neat when I travel. It has 3 compartments that you can use to store items in, and has this hook on the inside that you can use to hang your bag. So basically, you can hold all of your items in one spot off the sink counter. I think this could be a very neat item that would be very useful if you're someone who just likes to travel a lot. Now, the last pickup that we're gonna be talking about is also from the Puma event in Las Vegas. It is this Puma long sleeve jersey. I picked this piece up when I was at the Puma gifting suite. I really love the look and fit of this shirt. It has a very flowy and roomy fit, which I like. And the blue and green color really makes this shirt pop. I don't really own that many jersey type pieces, so I'm very happy that I got to add this into my collection. I like styling this piece with some black denims just so that this piece can be the focal point of the outfit. Or when it gets warm outside, I'm gonna be styling these with some black shorts. I haven't really been wearing this too often this year since it's freezing cold in Texas, but when it does get warmer, I'm definitely going to be pulling this out way more often. If you guys enjoyed this video, then you're gonna love this video over here where I go into depth on how you can unlock your full style potential and reinvent your style this year. Go check out this video right over here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.